Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5199P. It's a 2015 Ford Transit T150 cargo van with 166 per K. This is your 130 wheelbase, low roof option. So standard size cargo van. These ones came from our local telecoms company. So it's just telecoms, pretty light duty use. Shelving on both driver's and passenger side. They do have some hooks, as well as some swivel hooks mounted on the bulkhead. Then there's also a slat wall there for removable blue bin storage for parts or anything else you might be lugging around. Weather guard ladder rack up top, which houses 2 extension ladders, one on either side, and then a step ladder down the center with a conduit carrier as well. Out back, we've got a hitch, towing around small trailers, little scissor lifts, things like that. Again, shelving on both sides. There's a rear heater mounted in here, and they got this nice solid floor for sliding materials or crawling in and out of, that type of thing. 3.7 liter V6. So they do have enough power again to lug around those small pieces of equipment, and are also economical as well. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise. Laptop tray mounted there as well for anybody that does any sort of location, that type of thing. Again, plenty of use for something like this. Any sort of contracting company can benefit, whether you're a plumbing and heating company or electrical company or general contracting, building maintenance, anything like that. Having a nice clean cargo van like this would be a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5199P, 2015 Ford Transit cargo van.